The Rainy Day by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The day is cold and dark and dreary. It rains, and the wind is never weary. The wine still clings to the mouldering wall, but at every gust the dyed leaves fall, and the day is dark and dreary. My life is cold and dark and dreary. It rains, and the wind is never weary. My thoughts still cling to the mouldering past, but the hopes of youthful think in the blast. And the days, dark and dreary, is still sad heart, and the seas repeating. Behind the clouds is the sun still shining. If bad is the common fate of all, into each life some rain must fall. Some days must be dark and dreary.